Okay, we're almost through our first week of distance learning. So I want to give a real quick tutorial on how to turn in all your assignments on Friday. Okay, so let's pretend I'm a student and I open up my Google Classroom. And let's say I'm a student whose name happens to be Noah Plowman, and I have all these classrooms open. Well, I want to go into Mrs. Plowman's kindergarten and I want to get all my assignments turned in. Okay, so I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click on classwork. And I'm going to go through all of my assignments one by one and make sure I have my work turned in. So I need to click on the assignment, and then I need to click on view assignment. Okay, so I had to do all my morning work. I had to do morning work on Wednesday and I had to do it on Thursday. I did that in my morning work folder. I don't have anything to actually turn in, but I'm going to go ahead and click mark is done so my teacher knows that I did my work. And then I'm going to hit mark is done again, and I'm all done with that. And now my work's been submitted to Mrs. Plowman. Okay, I'm good with morning work. So now I'm going to go through and I want to go back to the next thing, which would be Bible. So I'm going to go into my Bible one, same thing. I'm going to view the assignment. Let's say it's Friday. I've done everything. I did my craft. I watched the beginner's Bible video. I reviewed the Bible story with Mrs. Plowman, and I took my quiz on Google Forms and submitted that. And then I've practiced the verse and colored my page. So I'm just going to go over here to my work part, and I'm going to hit turn in. Even though these are just PDFs, it doesn't matter. I'm going to go ahead and hit turn in because that shows Mrs. Plowman that I finished my work. Okay? So I'm all done with Bible. Go back to Mrs. Plowman, go back to classwork, close out Bible. I'm going to go into phonics. Same thing, view my assignment. Okay, I'm going to check, make sure I did all the stuff. I watched Alpha Blocks. I practiced my OW sounds with OU and OW. I did my sight word work. I filled in my diphthong worksheet, and I did my phonics pages 171, 172, 173, and 74, and I got everything done. So now I'm just going to hit turn in. That shows Mrs. Plowman it's all done. Okay? So at the end of the week, you need to make sure that you go through all of these and click that turn in, okay? So every single subject has one of those. It's either going to have a spot that says turn in, or it's going to have a spot that says mark as done. So I believe, yes. So if you look at Writer's Workshop, it doesn't have anything that you have to turn in. You can, Noah had already submitted his. You can just hit mark is done. Okay? So make sure you take care of that for me. Thank you so much. That way I know you're doing your work and you're connecting with me online. Have a great weekend. See you on Monday.